Congratulations if you've just purchased your Trion. I just wanted to run you through some setup procedures and a guide on getting your Trion up and running. If you haven't received the operational instruction manual, get in touch at ionicsystems.com.au. Come and have a look. So when you receive the Trion, it'll be packaged in a manner like this. Don't be overwhelmed, and we'll just run you through a couple of steps that you'll require to get the system up and running. So we can see here that the power receptacle is off. There is a John Guest fitting at the top of the RO filter which we need to engage, and also the wheels are off the unit and need to be put into place. Come over to these Trions and I'll run you through. So first of all, we'll talk about the power receptacle here. So the power receptacle has 4 6mm stainless steel screws which hold the front power receptacle on. Because these units go globally all around the world, we have these power receptacles to adapt to a lead, whether it's 240 or 110 volt. So 4 stainless screws or 6mm Allen key. There is one longer screw which will hold an earth strap to the back of it. So out of the 4, pick the longest one. The earth strap will be connected by a nut, and which is 10mm spanner to connect that earth strap together. Hook up your power receptacle. There is a washer, a gasket between the two. Tighten those 4 screws up, and that power receptacle will be ready to go. In relation to the wheels themselves won't be assembled. So you'll have one connecting bolt, a center bush. You'll also have some plastic spacers there. There'll be a couple on the outside and also a couple on the inside. So do those bolts up and your wheels will be secure. The last step which I'd like to talk about is the top of the RO filter, which will be disconnected on removing from the box. So there is a John Guest stem elbow, and that stem elbow will basically click back into place, push in, and now that's locked and engaged. To release that, like all the John Guest fittings on the Trion, we can push that circlip in and we can disengage, in this case, that stem elbow. Hope you found this useful. Make sure you read through the instructional video from Ionic Systems on the Trion to get you up and running. Any more questions in Australia, you can come back to ionicsystems.com.au. Appreciate you watching.